Why are you still single at this age and time? What are you still looking for? Is it money or the Mr. Right or the Mr. O? What are you still looking for? Okay, this video is for you. Let's get this video started. Okay, breathe first. Whew. So, if you are within this age range and you are not married right now, what is happening? Why am I making this video? I recently look at my circle of friends and I see that a lot of them are not married, including myself. Anyway, so I'm not telling myself. So I don't know whether this our age, the marriageable age is increasing and people are just indifferent about these things. But I still understand the societal pressure attached to it. And sometimes when your mind just rings about the biological side of things, you feel like, really? What's happening? So don't worry. This video, I got you covered. But first of all, let's talk about these things. Let's talk about that. Why the societal pressure? You know, it's normal. It has been not even only social pressure, sometimes pressure from parents, pressure from folks, pressure from even social media when you are seeing people showcasing things. This was getting married. This one just has a child, and this person just got married last year and they already have kids. Things like that might not even necessarily be that you are envious or anything. It's just natural. It's how life is programmed. It's just trying to let you know that Lord is running in your veins. So I would like to just help us reset things. First of all, I would say don't marry because of pressure. Don't do anything because of pressure. Doing that is one of the wrong steps you can take, because anything about marriage and things meaningful like this has to come from the place of peace and the space and the place of clarity. Number two, I would say quality over quantity. Sometimes when you ask people, oh, why are you still like single at this age and things like, they'll tell you it's not like they are not guys. You see beautiful ladies, fine, pretty, intelligent, outspoken, classy ladies, and they are not. You just not like they are not guys. They are guys, but it's just like quantity. We are not seeing the quality guys. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's not like girls are even doing shakara for guys or anything. Like, it's just that I don't know. The guys of now, I don't understand. Sometimes say, where are they getting these good guys from? No, I don't know. But anyway, don't worry. This video, I'm making this video just for you, right? But I'll say quality over quantity. Don't, because of your checking time or your age, pushes you into just marrying anything that is available. Another thing I've noticed that is glaring why people have not settled around this age is because I feel maybe it's the financial reasons. A lot of people are not, they're still trying to figure out life, they're still trying to discover themselves. So they're still trying to find purpose. Some people have not even gotten jobs. The economy is, I don't know what the economy is saying. The economy is not encouraging, especially people from African countries. Some people have not gotten jobs. They've gone to school, no good jobs, nothing. Even entrepreneurship, things are not working well for people. People are still trying to struggle to even feed themselves. Of talk more of even getting married. So on that thing I would say is just calm down. Love can find you anywhere, any place. I would just say that this is still the phase for you to discover yourself. If you knew, even as a lady, I would tell you don't even enter marriage or relationship without at first you being able to feed yourself. Don't even think that a man is going to sort you out, do everything you need to do. You have to get to a level, a financial capacity where you can feed yourself, right? Knowing fully that well that when you get married, you're going to be feeding a child. If a child, absolutely, a child should come along the way by God's grace. So I would say that take it easy. You're not the only person in these shoes, right? Calm down. Try to figure out life first. Don't overthink these things because sometimes just leads to depression, right? Everybody's still trying to figure out these things. Block social media because what do you expect social media to be of? It's going to be packed with a lot of things that will feel like, oh, you're not doing well. Look at your mate. This one is married already, has two kids, and you start calculating years. No, don't let marriage or things like this be the yardstick of your fulfillment in life, right? But the thing I would say is that don't block out avenues of you maybe getting partners, right? Don't walk like you're a shadow of yourself. Try to network. If you need to join dating site, please join dating site though, because you're trying to hustle. So if you need to join dating sites, maybe you see guys that maybe they are most likely ready, right, for serious relationship, please do. I made a video on 10 dating sites you can join. So please do well to watch that video. I'm sure it's going to be of great help to you. Additionally, if you have tips, our daddies, married guys or married ladies, share with me in the comment section. How did you find your partner? How did you find love? Actually, how were you able to sort out your financial issues before marriage and things like how were you able to, figure out life before marriage? How did you know you were ready for marriage? Right? Like when I mean ready, I mean physically, spiritually, financially, emotionally. How did you know all these things that you were ready for marriage? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do also use the link in the description box to for the French course and to also buy other courses that will be beneficial to you. And I'll see you in the one. Bye for now.